ice cream time. Cross a bridge somewhere. That was stupid. I could have made it just fine. But no, I had to put the brakes on. I wonder sometimes. I could have made it just fine. But no, I had to put the brakes and hit them. Whatever. Alright, now, where to? Where's the ice cream place? We gotta go this way. I think. Am I going the right way? We'll find out. This way? Where are we? Almost hit that cop. Go a little north. A little bit north. Did that cop disappear or am I going crazy? Which way? Oh, that's to the Malibu. What's this way? That's south. Am I going right? No. Malibu's that way. South. Like this way. This way? Aha! We found it. I'm saying that they will do a couple of stuff for the ice cream. Now that we got it all figured out. And then we'll go back and do some taxis, whatever. That's what we'll do today. Alright. Save and then we can continue. I don't know what happened there, but okay. Go back up. Alright. Let's do some more ice cream. And today's drink is water. I've been drinking a lot of water lately just because. No particular reason. I just, as much as I hate water, for those of you that are new to the channel, I don't like drinking water. I mostly drink sodas and other beverages, and I know what some of y'all guys are thinking that are new.
What hardware we got?
Sodas aren't really good for you. I know, but that's just the type of guy I am. I don't care. So, today's drink of choice is water.
You better tell him, Mario. Hey, Mario.
Just in case you guys are wondering.
I got those clothes you want.
See what we can do. A couple of stuff here.
Hey, Mario, I got those clothes you want.
You know I've been loyal.
Alright. Alright, anybody want some ice cream? Try to stay away from the gang members this time. I'm gonna try. Just somebody there. Any peoples around here? Looking for people. Oh. No, 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 no. Stay away from my truck. Stay away from my truck. Go the other way. Hey, hey. Y'all want some? Y'all want some? I got ice cream. I got some ice cream for you guys. Got some ice cream, delicious ice cream. Ah, glad to be of service. Want some ice cream? No? No ice cream? What about you? Ice cream? Ah! You know you want the ice cream! Stupid bitch. I don't know why you changed your mind. Ice cream? You like some ice cream? Yeah. Who says no to ice cream? Apparently that stupid bitch did, but whatever.
Open your eyes. You in the way.
Attracting a little too many customers. Sorry guys, gotta go. Gotta do some more somewhere else. Don't you see there was an ice cream truck behind your ass? You never ever cross a ice cream truck on the streets. Did anybody tell you that? Ice cream?
Yo, get out the way.
You wouldn't have road rage if you had some ice cream. No more customers here? The docks might be a perfect place for some customers. You want some ice cream? No? Okay. Gang member. Yeah, too bad. That guy, I think, wanted some ice cream. I'll trust the gang members. I mean, why would I trust the gang members? Keep. I say the gang members. Maybe they're not even damn gang members. And I'm just passing up some good customers. Yeah. Ah! I hate when I move a little bit. Are y'all gonna shoot my truck? No. Y'all are not gang members. And if y'all are,
Yo, you in my way, dog.
y'all ain't gonna do nothing. As long as I'm selling you some good ice cream. Alright, that's enough ice cream, guys. Sorry. Ice cream truck is closed for right now. I'll be back. I'm out of ice cream right now, so no ice cream right now. And I know I can still sell some ice cream when I have one store, but I'd rather just get rid of the damn store. Ah! I hate when I do that. Ice cream? I'm only a few feet away from that woman, so she better come get some. Oh shit. Hurry up, because there's a cop right there. Really, bro? I'm kind of glad you did that, though, because I didn't see that cop up front, and I know that cop would have stopped my ass eventually. And I was starting to get a lot of customers. Ice cream? Oh yeah, here comes the customers. Nice.
Betty needs change for a dollar.
Oh, gotta go. Well, there's the boathouse. But I already got 2 properties to tie me over for a little bit, and maybe we'll try the boathouse next time. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know yet.
Hey, get back here.
I'm not getting back anyway, Papa. I'm just selling some ice cream. What's the harm of selling some ice cream around here? Ain't no crime. Selling some ice cream? There's a guy right there. I can see him now. There you go. You want some ice cream? No? No ice cream for you? What over here? Ice cream? What do you mean there's no more customers? There's one right there. Don't lie. Come on, move it on. Ice cream? No? Oh! Ice cream? Ice cream? Somebody wants ice cream behind me. Is that the guy that I ran over? Cause, my bad. Oh, here we go. I don't think that was the guy I ran over, right? Ice cream? What are you doing, bro? Ice cream? Oh, here we go. I think that was dude I ran over. Well, I make up for some good ice cream. I got some good ice cream here. Alright, gotta go. No more ice cream. Gotta go restock. Let's see. More peoples. Alright, so you guys gotta have to sit back and relax because I'm gonna try and sell at least 50 ice creams. So, if this ain't striking your entertainment, I apologize. It's just, you know how it is. You guys want some ice cream? Y'all ain't gonna shoot me, right? Can I have some ice cream? I know there's no customers. I thought I'd just sit for a minute. Maybe somebody would approve. Whoa! I'm just selling some ice cream here. Oh, God. Did you just shoot my tire again? I hope not, you fucks. I think they did, but I can't tell. Okay, no! I'm selling some ice cream here. Out of the way. Ice cream? No? You don't want no ice cream? Ice cream? Yeah, come get some ice cream. Oh, they're shooting at me. I'm just selling some ice cream. Oh, no. So y'all were shooting at me. How y'all just gonna shoot at me when I was trying to sell y'all some good ice cream, you fucks? I have to desert my ice cream thing. Oh, we gotta start all over. You know what? Not right now. Let's start all over right now. Let's go try a taxi. Or, actually, I'm right next to the ice cream. Let's try again, I guess.
Hey, Mario. I got those clothes you want.
Alright, I already know. Thank you. Let's go get some armor while I sell some ice cream. Okay, note to self. Do not sell ice cream to any one of those damn gang members, because obviously they don't want no damn ice cream. At least they don't want my ice cream. Where's the damn armor? It's on the other side. And I know some of y'all are like, you dumbass, why did you do that? I don't fucking know. Don't ask me. You know, you live and learn. Go get some armor again, and then you can try again. We could try again. Stay away from the gang members.
Unfreaking believable.
Get some more armor. And then we can try to sell some ice cream around here. Hey, I was on my side, okay? I was on my lane. You dumbass don't know how to drive. It's a cockroach. there too. Okay, where are we? Keep going south, right? Yeah, keep going south. I don't know. I guess he wanted some ice cream, but we're closed right now. I gotta go get some more. Then we can continue on selling some ice cream. Where is Benson?
Hold that piece of shit!
I think that's a nightclub I can purchase. I don't remember. If I pass by it again, I'll check it out. Right now, I'm just trying to get some more armor. There we are. Close by. 'Cause I think you could purchase it at strip club too. But I want to purchase the printing press first. What was it? The printing press and the studio. Those two I would like to purchase first, and then maybe I'll purchase
Move it!
the strip club. I don't know. Let me think about it. Get some more armor, and then we'll see if we got any buyers around here. And then we'll go check out the taxi.